Hi all, welcome to another video on stock scanner. In this video, I am going to show you how to find the stocks which are making hammer patterns. So let's see how to do this. You need this free scanner created using Python to run the scan. I have given the video link of how to create this free scanner using Python in description. Please watch it and create this scanner. Okay, let's see how to filter all stocks which are forming hammer patterns. First condition is trend should be downtrend. So first we have to check whether the previous candle is closed in red. That means close of -1 is lower than open of -1. Here -1 denotes previous candle and 0 denotes last candle. Next condition is open of last candle should be above the half of the candle length. Final condition is close of last candle should be above the half of the candle length. Okay, we have added condition. Now let's run the scanner. Okay, we found 3 stocks which are making hammer patterns. Let's check each of them in chart. First one is Sun TV. Yes, it is almost a hammer. Next one is Nextliant. Yes, this is exactly a hammer pattern. Next one is Petronet. Yes, this is also a hammer pattern. Next, we're gonna scan stocks which are making inverse hammer. As we have already done in previous scan, we are adding close of -1 is lower than open of -1. Next condition is open and close of last candle should be below the half of the candle length. Okay, let's run the scanner. 5 stocks found. Let's check each of them in chart. First, Godrej Properties. Yes, it's an inverse hammer pattern. Next, Whirlpool. It's almost a hammer pattern. Voltas. Yes, it's an inverse hammer pattern. Lupin. Yes, this is an inverse hammer pattern. Final one is Havels. Yes, this also an inverse hammer pattern. Okay friends, the video ends now. I hope you all understood how to scan hammer pattern stocks easily using this free scanner. If you have any doubts, please let me know in comments. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.